Dear viewer, welcome to my channel College Botany. Today we are learning the phytogeographical regions of India as per Chatterjee and Mani. In previous lecture we have learned the northwest Himalayas, western Himalayas, central Himalayas and eastern Himalayas. Now in this lecture we are going to learning the next phytogeographical region, Indus Plain. This region is also called as northwestern dry region with arid and semi-arid region of Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat and other regions west of Aravalli ranges. It receives the rainfall of about 300 to 600 only in monsoon season. The climate in general is dry. The soil is sandy except in cultivated fields. The vegetation is tropical thorn forest dominated by desert scrubs and herbs. Most of shrub and small trees are totally leafless in hot season. The common species occur in this region are Acacia nilotica, Acacia senegal, Gymnosponia, Prosopis, salvadora, Caparis, Albizia, Grevia, Calotropis. This area shows total species of about 1500 belonging to 112 families. Next phytogeographical region is Gangetic Plain. This is agriculturally very richest part of India. This region is characterized by moderate rainfall and alluvial soil. The areas extend over Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Bengal and part of Orissa. This region shows three parts, namely dry western portion along with river Ganga and Yamuna, humid region of Bengal and Sundarbans. The forest type is tropical moist deciduous and dry deciduous forest dominated by sal. This area shows the presence of Pagnum, Tecoma, Anogesus, Boswellia, Terminalia, Mangifera, Gigipus, Woodfordia, Exora, Cassia, etc. Similarly, evergreen species Polyalthia longifolia, Pterospermum, Artocarpus are also seen. Gangetic Plain at Sundarban forms largest mangrove forest. It is dense evergreen forest of mangroves, consists of species of Avicennia, Rhizophora, Heritaria, Sonertia, Cereopus and the palm-like Nympha and Phoenix. The next phytogeographical region is Assam region. This region receives highest rainfall over 200 centimeter. The vegetation is either evergreen forest or wet hill forest and pine forest. In this region, the bamboos are most common form along with luxuriant growth of canes, shrubs, climbers, and many epiphytes. Sal forest is noticed on Garo Hills. The wet hill forest is rich in species of Allumus, Betula, Pyrus, Magnolia, Rhododendron, Acer, and many species of oak. Pine forest is dominated by Pinus khasha. So these three phytogeographical regions we have learned. In incoming video we will learn the central India and Deccan Plateau, Malabar region, that is west coast, and Andaman region. If you like this video, please press the button like and subscribe the channel so as to you can be get the notification of incoming videos. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed the channel, press the bell icon and receive the notification of incoming videos. Thank you. Thank you very much.